we'll guide you through how to share a Dropbox link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it with your mouse, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on that button. A pop-up window will appear, giving you a few options. You'll want to focus on the section that says Copy Link. Click on Copy Link, and Dropbox will generate a URL for you. This link is now copied to your clipboard. You can go ahead and paste it into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. If you want to set permissions, like whether people can edit the file or just view it, you can do this by clicking on the link settings in the same pop-up window. Here, you can choose if the link allows editing or is view only. You can also set an expiration date for the link if that's something you need. Once you're all set, you can confidently share the link, knowing your settings are applied. Remember, sharing a link is a great way to collaborate or just share files without having to send large attachments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.